Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the filtration. I have prepared this video by using Lumen 5 software. I got the idea by watching the MKCL course. So filtration is very important operation in chemical industry. Filtration may be defined as the separation of solids from the fluid by means of porous medium or porous material that retains solids on the porous media and only allow the fluid to pass through it. So porous medium generally retain the solids and only allow the liquid to pass through it. So from the slurry the solids are separated, that is mentioned here. So the removal of solid particle from the fluid by passing it through a filter media, that is very important. Which are the different factors which affect the rate of filtration, that must be understood. There are several factors which are affecting the rate of filtration and we need to understand those factors. So starting with the pressure drop across the feed inlet and the filtering media. It is the pressure drop across the feed inlet and filtering media is directly proportional to the rate of filtration. Pressure drop is depend upon the gravity. When we are applying in gravity, then the pressure as it is can be shown in the figure at you can see is there. So pressure can be applied to the inlet side and pressure is very important factor. Then vacuum is also one of the important factors. So these are different factors which affect the rate of filtration. Second and very important factor is area of the filtering surface or area of the filtering media. The area can be increased. Suppose we are operating the filtration in a continuous manner. So rotary vacuum filter are there, they are continuously operated. So infinite area is available. In plate and frame filter press, we can also increase the area by putting number of plate and frame in series. So area is playing very important role and it is directly proportional to the rate of filtration. So area is directly proportional to the rate of filtration and filtering media is playing very important role. And volume of the filtrate collected is also proportional to the area of the filtering surface or area of the filtering media. As I told you, the total volume of the filtrate flowing from the filter will be proportional to the area of the filter medium. So this fact must be understood. So second and very important is area of the filtering media. Next is the resistance of the cake. The resistance increases, the rate of filtration decreases. Next is filter media and its desired properties. Filter media is used to separate the solids from the slurry and the solids generally deposited on the filter media. So which are the essential properties, desired properties for any good filter media? It must have good filtration, it must possesses good filtration ability, it should not plug, physically strong, chemically resistive, and it must be cheap. So these are 5 important properties for any filtering media. Physically it need to be strong, chemically resistive, good filtration must be done, and it should not be plugged. Then material for the filtration media. There are several materials available: oven material, granular material, porous solid, flated fiber material. In oven material, cotton and wool is there, granular solids, sand and asbestos is there, porous solids, porous paper is there. So these are different several materials available. Generally cotton and wool are normally used. Filtration can be done by 2 ways: at constant rate, constant pressure filtration. In constant rate the pressure is varies, where in constant pressure filter the rate is varies. So according to the application of filter, the ways of operation differs. So constant rate and constant pressure filter. Then classification of the filtration can be done as a pressure filter, vacuum filter, continuous filter, batch filter. Pressure filter, plate and frame is a good example. In vacuum rotary filter is again an example. Continuous and batch. Continuously we can operate the filter, as well as in a batch manner we can operate the filters. So thank you very much students. As I earlier told you, I have created this video by using Lumen 5 software. I hope you will like this video and you will get good idea. Please like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.